right, so I just have some cinnamon roll grands here, and I am placing them in my greased 9-inch cake pan, just like this. Beautiful. All right, and I went ahead and set up another pan just like this, and these are gonna go in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. All right, these just came out of the oven. Look how fluffy they look. Now we're just gonna go ahead and flip them onto our cake stand. Woo! And they should come right out because we greased it. Beautiful. Ooh, this looks so good, you guys. All right, before they fall apart, we're gonna go ahead and grab some cream cheese frosting. I know that these cinnamon rolls come with a delicious icing, but we needed frosting today because we are making a cake. And we're gonna put a generous amount, and I'm putting it on while it's hot so it can just kind of melt into those cinnamon rolls, because even though it's a cake, we still want that melted ooey gooiness. I mean, that's the best part of a cinnamon roll. Okay, just quickly cover your cinnamon rolls. This is gonna be such a fun, like, breakfast for a birthday, Christmas, holidays, Halloween, whatever you wanna make this for. Kids love it, and believe it or not, so do adults. Okay, once we get a good amount on there, just kind of spread it to the best of your ability. It's okay if those cinnamon rolls kind of move around. Oh, this is gonna be so delicious, you guys. It's gonna be so sweet and creamy, and like I said, ooey and gooey. We don't need it to cover the sides because we want those cinnamon rolls to really shine. We want it to look like a cinnamon roll cake. Okay, ooh, look, it's melting so nicely. Beautiful. Now, on top of that cream cheese frosting, I have some pecans, and these are just the halved pecans, and we are just gonna sprinkle that right on top. Now, if you don't like pecans, you can totally skip it, or is it pecans? I don't know which one it is. You guys let me know in the comments. Is it pecans or pecans? Because I've heard it both ways. You guys always give me trouble for my pronunciation. But let's just get a nice sprinkle right on top of that frosting. Ooh, it's melting so quick, you guys. Now, for the star, I have some caramel, or is it caramel? All right, you guys, tell me in the comments. And we're gonna put some of this caramel right on top. Oh my goodness, that looks insanely good. Now you could stop here if you wanted to, but then it would just be basic. You wouldn't have a layered cake, which is what we want. We did cook up another batch of those cinnamon rolls, just right here. Look how fluffy and golden they came out. And we're gonna flip these on here to the best of our ability. We might have to shift it around once we flip it, but it's gonna be worth it. Ooh, I think I nailed it, you guys. And if it gives you any trouble, just push it to its spot. Oh my, this is looking so great, you guys. All right, I have another can of cream cheese frosting. You're gonna need about 1.5 cans of this frosting, so I went ahead and just grabbed 2 at the store, and we're gonna do our frosting layer one more time. Yes, and you can use whatever frosting you like. You can use vanilla, you can use white frosting, you can even use chocolate if you have some chocolate lovers in your house. I even saw like a Cinnadust cinnamon toast crunch frosting at the store today. Whatever your little heart desires, just put it on here. That's the best part about all my recipes, is that they're customizable. All right, we're gonna spread it out one more time. It should be so easy to spread because those cinnamon rolls are right out of the oven. But look how crazy good this is coming together. All of that ooey gooey-ness. It's gonna just be layered all together. This is not your average breakfast. You're not making this on a Wednesday morning, okay? This is for a birthday. This is for some celebrations, okay? Smells so good, you guys. Okay, that looks beautiful. Perfect. Now, of course, some more pecans. Sprinkle it right on there. Oh my, I am so happy with how this came together. I was a little nervous about the stacking, but it came together so nicely. One last touch, some more caramel. And we're gonna just, oh yeah, let it go down the sides this time. so we can get caramel in every bite. Oh my, can you look at that? It is warm, it is gooey, it is sweet, it is delicious. Do not make this every day for your kids, okay? They will get a sweet tooth, they'll get cavities. But every once in a while, it's gonna be so delicious, hit the spot. Let's go ahead and cut a slice, because I made this for me today, just to show you guys this delicious recipe. Okay, I think I wanna get this little ooey gooey spot. And you could grab a double-decker cinnamon roll, but that's a little too much for me. So I'm just gonna cut this double-decker in half so that it equals one whole cinnamon roll. It should just pull right apart. Oh yeah, that looks incredible. Got frosting all over my fingers. Okay, it's time to try, you guys. All right, forget what I said. You need to make this every morning.